Hello guys, it's your boy Steve once again, just to give you nuggets, ideas on how to make money online. We are here to dominate the space, to make money. You see, the rich and the famous people in the world have created a system so that they continue making money, and we work for them, and they receive the money, and they give us pennies, so that you have too much money at the end of your money. This is about to change. Cryptocurrency came to change our lives and make things once more better for all of us. So, Bitclub advantage once again. I've just been watching this thing keenly. There is money to be made, lots of money, crazy money to be made. Let this not pass us by. This is the time for us to take advantage of the situation, the way things are. So I've been looking and I'm like, damn, this idea has so much money, First of all, it depends which level you're going to get in. The different levels. There's client partner, in which you pay $33, and of the $33 you are paid $1.4 per week. Basic, you pay $59, you being paid $12 a month. Bronze, you pay $118 per week, you get $29 per week, $6, $29 a month, $6 a week. Silver, you pay $282 per day, you get per week you get $16, a month you get $74. Gold, you pay $558, in a month you get $149, in a week you get $33. Premium, you pay $1,085, weekly you will be paid $298. No, weekly it will be $67, and monthly it will be $298. Black client black, you pay $2,085 to join. A week you'll be getting $153, and a month you get $677. Then there's client master, which you pay $5,000. Of that, there's a membership fee of $30 and transaction fee of $71, and then that means weekly you'll be getting $415. At the end you get a total of $17,000 from $5,000 investment. The last package is VIP, in which you pay $10,000, and of the $10,000 you're going to make $39,996. Now that is passively, without doing nothing, just putting the money there, and they pay you. So for the last package, which is VIP, they pay you 400% what you invested, and then master, they pay you 350% of what you invested, and the rest they pay you 300% of what you invested. 300%. That is money. Now this is the crazy part. Affiliate commission is crazy. 15%. That's the highest I've seen so far. I got used to 10%, but now I've seen 15%. That is money, man. So this is the thing. Trade softly, trade cautiously, calculate your risk. The business is here. It is still young. Currently 80,389 members in 60 countries. The business is still young. We can still make some money, but invest what you can afford to lose. But I believe this one can be a game changer if we jump into it fast. So the link is on the description. Have some faith, do some calculated risk, and God will bless your investment. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. I'm bringing yet another video with much more details. God bless you, and thank you for watching the video.